In Creo 12, in the HSM Rough and HSM Rough sequences, you can now use new parameters for 3-axis and 3+2 axis machining. In this video, I'm showing how to define different values of cutting feeds and stepovers for the upcut passes, instead of the current behavior, which is to use stepover and cut feed values for both upcut and downcut passes. The upcut cut feed and upcut stepover parameters are applicable for the constant load scan type with a zigzag or upcut cut type. Let's do now a quick verification on the CL data. Here we can easily notice that different feeds depending if the tool movement is for the upcut or downcut milling. The second enhancement for HSM Rough and Res Rough is the addition of a new parameter to shift the starting point of the next pass according to the specified percentage of stepover. The parameter is called start point shift percent and is applicable for type spiral scan type. And we can see the effect on this video. I can say that these parameters provide better control on feeds, especially for the upcut passes. It can help in reducing chattering marks and improving the tool life because it's reducing the cutting load on the tool. All of this consistent with Creo NC workflows. Thank you for your attention.